My name is Dominic, and this is Science with Dominic. In this video, we'll be discussing properties of water. Water is a polar molecule that consists of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. This is why it has a chemical formula of H2O. The one oxygen atom of each water molecule is very electronegative. Because of this, the nucleus of the oxygen atom attracts electrons towards itself much more stronger than the hydrogen atoms. This pull of electrons leads to a negative electrical charge near the oxygen atom and a positive electrical charge near the hydrogen atoms. This difference in electrical charge between oxygen and hydrogen leads to water molecules having polarity. A polar molecule is a molecule that has a positively charged part and a negatively charged part. A water molecule's polarity is important as it leads to a variety of water's functions in biology. For example, water's polarity allows for hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is an intermolecular force that forms a special dipole-dipole reaction when the positively charged part of one water molecule, the hydrogen atoms, becomes attracted to the negatively charged part of another water molecule, the oxygen atoms. This bonding between adjacent water molecules is stronger than ordinary dipole-dipole forces. Water's polarity also makes it a very strong solvent. Water can dissolve many other molecules, especially ones that are polar or ionic compounds. For example, water dissolves salt because hydrogens of water molecules are attracted to the negative chloride ions of water. This is important because many organisms use water as a solvent. Another important property of water is its ability to perform adhesion and cohesion. Adhesion is the bonding of water molecules to another substance. This is especially important for plants, as water molecules stick to the xylem walls of plants in order to travel up to the leaves. This characteristic of water being able to travel against gravity is called capillary action. On the other hand, cohesion is the tendency of water molecules to stick together. This is also important in plants because water molecules travel up the xylem together until they are evaporated. Cohesion is also responsible for water property called surface tension. The cohesive forces between water molecules are stronger on the surface of water because they don't have molecules on all sides of them. Because of these strong cohesive forces, if you drop a small bit of water on a smooth surface, the water molecules will stick together and form a droplet rather than spread out. Also, surface tension is the reason that some insects can walk on water, as surface tension allows water to resist this external force. Have you ever wondered why the surface of lakes freeze in cold conditions while under the surface remains liquid? Well, this is because after reaching a temperature below its melting point of 0 degrees Celsius, water molecules expand when they freeze. When this occurs, water becomes less dense in this frozen state. The ice then floats to the surface of water where it makes an insulated surface layer of ice. Specific heat is the measurement of heat absorbed or lost for 1 gram of a substance that changes temperature by 1 degree Celsius. An example of why this is important for water is if you go to a pool on a hot summer day but the pool water is still cold. This property of water is important when it comes to stabilizing aquatic environment temperatures. Well, those were a few key properties of water. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be making more AP Biology review videos soon.